Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
I think so.
It's counting?
Yeah, it is.
Where are you going, dumb? Where are you going, you stupid mother? Come here! Hey, I got that all on tape, bro. We got that all on tape. Hey, send him that video. Send him that. Hey, he's gonna send you that video.
Oh no.
We're gonna see if I'm gonna get in trouble for this. I don't even know if you guys can hear me.
I'm gonna step to the side, cause it's cars. I'm gonna step over here to the side. I'm gonna step over here to the side for my safety.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure. Well, first of all, I want to say thanks for stopping. I ride, and I know I've had several guys take off on me. Honestly, dude, I'm just gonna give you a warning. I'm not.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
Like I said, I ride, man, and we get a lot of motorcycle TC.
Well, what type of bike you ride?
Huh?
What type of bike you
I
ride?
used to ride an R1.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now I ride Harleys because I can't handle. I can't.
Yeah.
But it's a nice bike, dude.
Thank you, I appreciate it, man.
Slow it down, man. I mean,
I got you.
said, more than anything, I just don't want to have to respond to you getting hit by a car.
Yeah.
So.
You know, like, not making excuses, but you know how it is riding. Like, every time I'm merging onto the freeway, I always get on it just to get distance from the other cars. Then I always bring it down. Always, I slow it down a little bit.
Yeah, I was like, oh, dude, he saw me. I was like, and then I seen you just gun it. We were going pretty fast. Dude. They're fun bikes.
Yeah.
It's easy. You don't even notice it.
Yeah.
Like I said, man, just more than.
Nah, I'm safe on it, man. I'm careful on it.
Just slow it down, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Take care.
All right, you too, man. Man, that's like, I mean, I ran into like other cool CHP cars, but he was super cool because he's a rider, so he understands.
That bike. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You guys just go. Mamă, deci abia aștept să plec mâine. Hello? Hi there. You okay? You don't have time? Can you stop 1 second? Stop 1 second. Chip, let's go a little bit more forward. Let's go a little bit more forward. Ce bun e. Hey, you have the same helmet as me.
No.
I have the same helmet. Where are you going?
I'm going to pick up my bike, and I think that
What bike you have?
bigger than yours.
Bigger than mine. That's a good answer. Okay, you want me to give you a lift?
I don't know if it's a good idea.
That's a good idea. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Ionut. Anna. Where are you from, Anna? Poland. Oh, I was thinking you're Romanian.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's why I was thinking you.
I'm not okay, from Romania, come on.
Okay, okay, let me give you a ride. Seriously, I'll go around. I'll drop you wherever you want, and we can exchange numbers if you want after that. Okay? Alright, sweet. Oh, cool. Sweet. Oh. You good? Alright. Hold on. Okay, I'll just go around and after that you tell me where to drop you, yeah? Alright, sweet. Hey Anna. You okay?
Yes.
What happened?
Nothing. I waited for you 15 minutes.
Sorry, traffic. What happened?
I need to close or not?
Yeah, you need to close.
So close it.
What happened? You upset? Oh, come on. This is where you're working? Nice. Okay, go up.
Ready?
Both arms, Anna.
Be complimenting my wheels.
Alright, so you're either gonna give me the bike, or my girlfriend here is gonna give you the beating of a lifetime. Oh yeah.
I think this is a funny guy, huh? I don't know how two people are gonna drive 3 bikes, but I mean, I guess there's a way.
Oh, I can drive too.
Oh yeah, 2 at a time.
We're gonna go look in a tree. I don't know. They were over there doing TikToks or something.
If he had been more serious, I would have just walked over and knocked his ass the fuck out.
What are you gonna do? I got a helmet on. Sure, hit me in the head. I don't care.
Yeah.
Bring the madness.